Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. People, a long time I don't get to make one of them video. I love make them video, especially with them talented artists here. And who me I talk about, people? Me I talk about Shaneil Muir. So today she have some wicked lyrical style for go no. You see what me I say? We don't used to it already, but today it up a little bit. You see what me I say? More than the normal, because me never hear her gun tune them like that before. We know say she always have the tune them for the ladies them. You see what me I say? And she always have her, you know, them sex tune there and all kind of tune, but me never hear the badness part her. So I have that for sure. No. But before we get into that though, people, me I go on a little, what we call it now? Say a little Valentine's Day thing from her. You see me? So she does make fun and a play around with that one. This is the warm up. So right now, people, me I go play that one on your phone now. Then we get into the real thing. So hear this.
Why? February 14, 2021. What are the single ladies? What's the doing single ladies? Okay. You can find no love. So you question the man above. You know? God, what have I done? Why I can't keep the people's son? It's like I'm losing my mind, and I don't know where to find it. This is why you're single. Ooh, this is why you're single. Because no one loves you. Nobody loves you. Oh, this is why you're single. Ooh, this is why you're single. Because no one loves you.
Yeah, people, so all jokes aside now that the artist get that out of the way, we are going to show you how bad this artist is. I'm very impressed with her lyrics right now, people. I'm not telling no lie. You know what I mean? I sit down here and I edit the video and I just say, Jano, once somebody can full of so much lyrics, you see what I say? And the thing that she have all different kind of styles, because she can give you know what I mean, girl tune, she can give money tune, she can give the Yamabella, you know what I mean, situational tune them, and you know what I mean, even tune like the pain. And at the end of that video, I have a motivation tune for you. But right now, a badness thing. You see what I say? I go show you say this artist can stand up on stage and clash anybody. Man, woman, boy, child, girl, anybody. I hype up my artist because my artist that bad. So people, right now, we are going to check into the badness. Hear this.
I'll show you how the bad girl them do it now. You see me as a girl? One thing. Me we fuck a man make him murder you. Pussy hole a what you heard of. Because me killer them crazy. Me killer them murderers. Make bumbo clot rifle bus kill first fight and me like it. I know around me and pint it. Show you what a hollow pint is. Your badness shrivel down. Bumbo hole is up in me gun. Pussy me tell you this. Come away, pay to do it or do it myself. Real bumbo clock, even meds, I'm not fear the feds. And I'm not from a peer the feds. Just want to prepare the feds. Your life is body when him find it. Cause badness and no fear, so avoid it. You see him friend me, I send for you with the kill take. What me send you empty the thing, me fi empty you. Me not in a talking, no blood clot talking. Make the dance to the barking. You want your suck pussy friend them walking. A gunshot in your asking, me no in a talking. Gunshot parking, shot in your asking, yeah. Something pop and a lemon a fling everything well means body bag up in a bin. Calling next up kin them find him in pieces and pieces. There's no peace within me, my pieces beside me to protect and guide me. Best surf whole boss gun from 5-year-old. Will make me grimy.
What me telling you say, people, what me telling you say, a beer badness in a it, people. And you can hear the lyrics, she not talk about no girly war. You see what me I say? That definitely are some lyrics against a man DJ. So if she have to clash a man on stage or anyway, you see what me, that dead like dog. And that me I tell you too. But people, the badness not stop right there. So you see what me I say? We are go back in it, loaded and ready again. So hear this again.
Yo! I'm a toe talk, I'm a toe laugh, I'm a toe walk with people. born alone, but when me roll a two-rotted vehicle, have my Bible on my dashboard, and my strap load, and my killers, them no kill for reason. Don't give me a reason to like get my Grammy. See how my rims and shiny. I buy my own things. The man no mind me if the month is a bonus, and any man will give me money, I go get the donut, and any girl we know me can come roll up. And anybody where you flip, I get flap, and anybody where you talk negative, I get block, and anybody try this, I get slap. And the pussy violate, I get shot me head at yo. If I no money, when I want it, you can keep it like a secret. You see, dog, I'm crazy for the money, fucking retard. I'm lazy for the body, but I true, I prefer money. If my gender change, I money get my dick hard. Bitch, talk to me nice when you see me. No call me if you know nothing, forgive me. Anywhere me step, anywhere me. Hey, listen to me now, man. But hold on now. Not show me look cute and not show me pretty. Me we both have fought shot on our iniquity. Come and say ride or die. No more crime rate, I like more obesity. And if the start no won't stop, I'm in a show pity. A straight and dove cut a down a boat city. Cause them no bad like that city. That house town from me living in a glass city. Me know me evil, so I'm in a trouble paper. But if a trouble, buckle up and take a beating. Looks deceive, I better not believe. Don't study me head sick for this season. And I'm not nice if me call a mating. Me not think twice, yo, Shaneil no reason. Anyway, me tap on them, me tap on it a treason. Anyway, you see me alright then. Blood spill, man I kill with courtesy. Man I kill with courtesy. Man I kill with courtesy, yeah.
Hey, pull up it up before we fire be a shot in this and full up it up. I joke me I make still people. But people, me just a show no how she bad. You see me I say, if an artist feel like they want to run up, she have the arsenal there. You see me I say, every artillery there and ready for fire. You see me? So any artist feel like they want to Shaneil Muir, you know say she capable. You see me people, but another that alone she capable of. She have other tune too. She have a lot of styles. She have a commercial settings different from that. And I know say, you know what I mean? I feel like she should make a mixtape, because a mixtape should have all of them kind of songs. You see me I say, should have segment where she do them kind of song there. She have a girly song them, and then she have a motivation song them, and any other else thing can fit in. You know, make me know what you think down in the comment section. You see me I say, a Shaneil Muir mixtape for 2021. But people, right now the next thing me I go show you, or the next song me I go play for her, she have a motivational style to it. You see what me I say? So me just want to know how the artist multi-talented. You know already know, but me have to remind you know every day. You see what me I say? I'ma enjoy doing that. So people, the next tune me I go play as some motivation she bring through. So here goes.
I'll take it down. I know you're frustrated. Life I get so hard. They say you'll never make it. Say you're not gonna reach far. I see brighter days no way for you, no way for me too. Yeah, I see brighter days. I know there's no way for you, no way for me too. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm telling you something, ladies. Listen to me. Them try to tear you down, for you don't love yourself. Fix up your body, cause you wanna be somebody else. I know you wonder why you can't hold it up. You start blame yourself because you're fed up. But you are broken up inside. Certain feelings just can't. And when you lost yourself, you lost your pride. But I see brighter days, no way for you, no way for me too.
Yo, if the artist bad one more time, man, I swear, people don't know how much I tune them, me have to left out. Some of the song them we hear already, some of the song them we never hear yet, but me just did have to narrate down to what we not just hear. So a lot more. She did on live almost 2 hours, you see me I say, and a bare music. Even one of the time she a play other artist music, another thing that me rate with her, you see me I say, she a play Shensia, she a play Lyrical, she play Dexter Daps, she play all kind of people, Jada Kingdom, everybody. You see what me I say? So, me Me not lie, people. That girl, her future look bright. Her musical career look like it go through the roof. We already see it a climb, you know what I mean, steadily. And my money depend on her. You see me, I say, I have a couple of artists on my eyes, and she are probably, you know what I mean, she way up there still. You see me, when I don't know some rate my other artists like DJ Whitey too. But DJ Whitey not boss yet. But as far as boss go, Shaneil Muir, you know what I mean, she a lucky place. You see me? So let me know what you think down in the comment section. You saw me, I say, all of the top girl them. You saw me, I say, all of the top dan them big up on yourself. You see me? So that's why I go left it to the people. So if this is your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. Do the right thing. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.